Hi, I'm Jeannie Lee from Kerfkore, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to laminate the Kerfkore flexible panel. The great thing about Kerfkore is that you can apply the laminate or veneer while it's flat, then bend it to the radius that you need. The maximum it will achieve is a 3.5-inch radius. For this project, we will be working with a 3x1 piece of Kerfkore with a 3/4-inch particle board core. We will be applying a Wilson Art high-pressure laminate, and you can tell that the laminate is slightly larger than the Kerfkore piece. This allows for extra surfacing along the edges that will be trimmed at the end for a clean finish. Some other materials we'll need for today's project is your standard contact cement that you can purchase at your local woodworking shop, a J-roller, and some cleaning rags. Later, we'll use a sprayer to apply the adhesive and a hand router for the finishing touches. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that the panel and the back of the laminate are clean of dirt and debris, so we can use a tack cloth or a brush for this. Next, we will apply the contact cement to both the panel surface and the back of the laminate. We are using a spray gun, but if you don't have that, don't worry, you can always use a brush or a roller. Make sure you don't use any hard or rigid setting adhesive such as hot melt glue or epoxy. We recommend a medium coat of adhesive applied to both surfaces. Less adhesive is generally better than too much. A test strip is the best way to determine the correct amount of pressure and adhesive. Before bonding, we will let them dry based on the recommended dry time from the glue manufacturer. The glue we used recommends 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're going to apply the laminate to the face of the panel. While applying, make sure you center the laminate so that it is hanging over the panel edges. This will ensure for a clean finish later. Once the laminate is in position, use a J-roller with moderate pressure to adhere the laminate to the panel. As you can see, the laminate is fully adhered to the Kerfkore panel now, and we are ready to do some of the finishing touches. While using a hand router and a flush trim bit, remove any of the unwanted laminate materials from the panel edges just as you would any laminate board. Now that the laminate has been trimmed flush, you have a finished piece ready for installation. No Bondo or sanding required. Kerfkore's flat lamination allows for easier attachment, and it is ideal for consistent and repeatable processes. Depending on the flexibility of your chosen laminate, Kerfkore can be bent down to a 3.5-inch radius. Another great option is to use a veneer. You can apply it using the same techniques that we used on the laminate. Thank you so much for watching our video on how easily you can laminate on the Kerfkore panel. Check out our website and YouTube channel for additional how-to videos on our other flexible and lightweight products.